Today we're talking about the 2019 real estate market in the Portland metropolitan area.
My name is Krista Britton, and I'm a principal broker at Hillshire Realty Group.
And my name is David Caldwell. I'm also a principal broker at Hillshire Realty Group.
According to RMLS data, new listings decreased by 708 homes, or 1.7%. What does this mean? There were 708 less homes listed in 2019. However, out of 40,000 listings, 708 is not that dramatic of a drop from one year to the next. So when you look at the houses that came to the market, there was not really any substantial change. If we move on and look at closed sales in 2019, they decreased by 71 homes, or 0.2%, for a total of 29,700 closed sales. Again, this is really not a substantial change.
The average sales price saw an increase of 1.5% and settled at $459,200. And the median sales price increased 2.5% to $410,000. So half the houses sold below $410,000, half sold above $410,000. This does represent a dramatic slowdown from 2018, where the average sales price increased by 5.5%. So closed sales stay roughly the same. The rate of appreciation dramatically slows down. How does this happen? I believe it has a lot to do with affordability. In the beginning of 2019, if you purchased a home, mortgage rates were likely going to be in the low to mid 4s. But after the Fed cut rates 3 times, we started seeing rates towards the end of the year, middle of the year, in the mid 3s. If we look at December 2019, there was an increase of almost 11% in pending home sales over December 2018. So houses really became more affordable when the rates got cut. According to most economists, we expect to see rates in the mid 3s for most of 2020.
So if you were a buyer in 2020, there are a couple things you're going to want to consider. We don't expect a substantial change in 2020, so it's a more comfortable marketplace for buyers. So as a buyer, you're more likely going to be able to get a price reduction. You're going to get repairs, closing costs. The market's going to be leaning a little bit more in your favor. Again, we also expect rates to stay in the mid 3s, which is a great time for you to buy because this will keep your monthly rate lower, your monthly mortgage payment. And while the rate of appreciation has slowed since 1992, there have only been 4 years where the Portland metro area did not see home values appreciate. And that was all during the Great Recession, all 4 of those years.
So if you're a home seller, you're thinking about selling a home in 2020, pricing your home correctly from the beginning is really paramount to your success. In 2019, we saw roughly 10,000 more homes listed for sale than actually closed. Condition is becoming much more important to buyers. They're not really willing to accept a home that has lots of deferred maintenance anymore. So it's more important to properly price your house in the condition it's in, or make updates to the home to get the value that you would consider selling your home for. And with that, the buyers don't really care if you're motivated or not to sell. If you're on the market, everyone knows you want to sell your house, and selling your house generally isn't a fun task. In order to have success this year, we think you really need more of a strategy, because that old seller script of "I don't have to sell my house" just doesn't work anymore. So if you have any questions about the Portland area or specific neighborhoods, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We'd love to talk to you. It's really easy to get a hold of us on Facebook or email at hello@hillshirerealtygroup.com.
And for more videos on the Portland area, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel.
Thanks. I'm scared.
Keeps making me look like I'm looking at your butt.
You're welcome.